Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is happy and in good health. It is 3 degrees here in Toronto and it's been really cold the last few days, so today is not bad. Yesterday we had freezing rain and it was cold and slippery, and the last few days had been the same. So coming from a tropical country, this is the time of year when I really am scared to go out. Anyways, I hope wherever you are that you are safe, you are warm, and you are in good health. It's just November and we already had the early snowfall and we are below the seasonal temperatures, and so it's going to be a long, messy, and really cold winter. Anyways, I guess I shouldn't complain. I love Canada and there are so many things to be thankful for. But let's not talk about weather. I'm here to share with you this journal starter kit that I put together that will be available in my Etsy shop. So please stick around. This is going to be a really short video. This junk journal starter kit has a total of 111 items. So I'll start with the coupons. You will receive 10 Admit One coupons and you can use a distress ink to give it a vintage look. You will also receive 10 assorted stamps and most of them are vintage. You will receive 5 Wicked What's It game cards. These are baby boomer cards and you will receive 5 of these cards. These are chance cards and these are vintage and you will receive 4 of these cards. These are word cards, plain and hard words, and you will receive 5 of these cards. I made these envelopes using vintage map pages and there are 5 of these envelopes in the kit. Then these are 5 vintage plain cards, 5 craft notepads. So made these small envelopes using vintage book pages and there are 5 in the kit. 1 vintage vehicle registration or driver's license. 5 vintage division flashcards. 5 bingo cards, also vintage. 5 official score pads from the Monte Cristo game. 5 sheets from Word Game. 5 vintage stationery and 3 envelopes. 5 craft line notebook pages. 5 guest checks. 1 vintage cocktail napkin, and this is a really beautiful napkin. 5 of these, and these are wallpapers. And I don't think this is part of the 111 items, so this will be a bonus. You'll also receive 5 grid sheets and 3 accounting sheets, 3 vintage music sheets, 1 page of beautiful bird images, and this is double-sided. This makes a beautiful junk journal cover. So this is the junk journal starter or beginner's kit, and these are perfect to decorate your journals or scrapbooks. Again, this will be listed in my Etsy shop. The items will be nicely packaged and I will have 5 of these kits in the shop. If you have any questions about this kit, please don't hesitate to leave me a message or comment below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So again, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. God bless you. Bye now.